We are at the Stuttgart Christmas Market, and the Stuttgart Christmas Market, according to its website, is not only one of the most beautiful and biggest, but also one of the oldest throughout all of Europe. It says it was officially mentioned in 1692 for the first time, but they believe its roots go back much further. It says an official market privilege is known to date back to 1507. In it, Duke Ulrich of Württemberg cedes the town of Stuttgart the right to collect stall fees at the annual fairs. It says the market privilege, though, was probably... It says, in all probability, the market privilege was the written confirmation of an already existing entitlement. It says in it, a horse market on St. Otmar's Day, which is 16 November, is mentioned. The annual market, though, grew and at the same time crept ever closer to Christmas, and it eventually formed the basis for the Christkindlingmarkt. It says more than 3.5 million people now travel every year to the capital city of Baden-Württemberg.
Like getting off again. Is that my noodles?
We'll see.
I don't.
Pretty good?
Warum soll ich immer Medikamente nehmen gegen meine Depressionen? Warum? Weiß ich mein.
I think these might be more decorations than actual things that you eat. Is it
Tastes
good
okay?
though?
Yeah.
Let me open this for you.
I don't like it. Glühwein number 1.
And also white chocolate chopped on you.
Not bad. I've had better.
Want a piece?
Good?
It's like a little bit crunchier bits of chicken.
Okay.
I think it's chicken. Translated to chicken.
We are going to find the Ferris wheel.
And we found the Ferris wheel.
There she is.
And it's on the other side of this dumb building.
That's a castle. Are you excited?
I like these Ferris wheels that stop.
I should get
Look at that.
Oh, look how nice!
It's €9. Levine number 2.
Yay! How's it?
You gotta try that. It's really good. It's got, I think, amaretto or something in it. I don't know. I panicked and I just ordered the Nikolaus.
It tastes like real sugar. And also one piece tastes like plain bread.
You saw someone wearing those cookies around their neck like a necklace.
Yeah, I don't think they're... How is the moonshine glue
Is
vine?
that what this is?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, because it said glue vine with something.
Yeah.
It didn't look like it was moonshine, but maybe it is. Regardless, it's good.
Yeah.
Just takes like a red wine glue vine.
Your standard.
Get on U-Bahn if we wanted to. And 6 minutes.
Why U-Bahn?
We could walk.
Jede Woche 8.500 Stunden